Hey everyone, I'm Mark Eckroth with Electric Mirror. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for the South and the Midwest. This is not an episode of MTV Cribs, but it is another Mirror Crush Monday. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install a backlit mirror. So come on in, let's get started. Alright, so the equipment that we're going to need in order to get the lighted mirror installed. First we'll start with making sure that we have the proper eye protection. Always want to make sure that we're wearing eye protection when installing anything. Here we have a tape measure in order to measure the distance between the top of the counter to the bottom of the mirror, and then also the top of the mirror to the ceiling. Make sure that we have enough clearance and we're mounting the holes appropriately. That way when we hang the glass, there's enough room on both sides. Pen or pencil to mark the holes. And then here we have a 1/4 inch drill bit set to get our holes started for the security hardware. Level to make sure that the holes are perfect left to right, and then also up and down. And then we have a socket wrench with a 7/16 socket set attached to it in order to screw the holes in, or we will use a 12mm drill bit socket piece in order to screw the holes in automatically. All right, let's get started. We're going to measure off the distance of the mounting holes to make sure that there is enough room when we hang the glass that the glass isn't hitting the ceiling or the return walls or the countertop. So we're going to mark off the chassis mounting holes over the studs, and then from there we are going to use our 1/4 inch drill bit in order to drill the holes to get the hole started for the mounting hardware. Once that is all squared away and the mounting hardware is secured and the chassis is hung, then what we're going to do is attach the hot and the neutral into the Wago and then tie her off the ground wire to make sure that it is totally operational, power is being supplied, and it is totally safe for use. All right, so what we did here is we marked off the holes in the mounting hole areas of the chassis to make sure that they were totally appropriated from left to right. That way when we go to hang the mirror glass, the glass butts up right next to this return wall here. So the the mounting screws are bolted into the studs. That was a quick, easy job to do. It's totally level. The circuit to this is totally off, so there's no way for me to get shocked right now. And then as you can see here, the hot wire and the neutral wire are plugged into the Wago. The ground is tied off, so it is fully ready to roll as soon as I twist these bulbs in. And as you can see, we are showing today an antiquated lit mirror. These bulbs, most of the mirrors nowadays should have pre-attached LEDs onto them. As you can see, they're quite cumbersome. Imagine if you had 300 hotel rooms, somebody has to go and install these, and that's 4 bulbs per hotel room. It's very cumbersome. Nowadays, the pre-attached LEDs saved a lot on installation costs and labor. So all that we have left to do now, since everything is mounted, it's totally level, left to right, up and down, and we just gotta hang the glass. So hang with me. All right, so now we're gonna hang the glass. As you can see here, there are 2 slots in the upper portion of this piece of metal that's adhered to the back of the glass. That's gonna hang right on the 2 tabs of the chassis up top. And then we're gonna fit the cleat mechanism to this bottom portion here. That way when the mirror is hanging, it's totally secure. It's not gonna come off at all. So here we go. It's very important to not touch the frosted area of the mirror. These are fingerprint protected, but we just want to avoid touching it. So as you can see, the mirror's not going to come off. It's totally hung by gravity. That's really all there is to it. This is a UL listed J-box, so all the wiring that you saw in there is totally fine to do because the housing is rated for a UL listing. And that's it. It's pretty easy. Takes a little bit of work to do. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or any of the Electric Mirror reps or any of the other regional sales managers. Always happy to help. Thanks for tuning in. Mirror Crush Monday. Stay safe.